0:100. Greetings from the Wise Cars channel today. 0:02. Presented the brand new 25. This the 0:05. Chevrolet Camaro SS is not simply it's a 0:07 legacy on wheels and the car for 2025. 0:11. It's pushing that legacy to new heights. 0:13. Let's examine everything in depth. 0:16. This beast offers from its appearance to 0:18. Its sensations inside of what you get. 0:21. When you put it the outside pedal in the 0:23. Year 2025. 0:24. The Camaro SS keeps its iconic 0:27. Aggressive posture with an understated design. 0:29. Changes that set it apart. The front. 0:32. Only the fascia has been honed using. 0:34. Lighter lead headlights. A grille that is 0:37. Even bolder and aerodynamic accents. That 0:40. Are not just pretty, but also brand new. 0:43. Sculpted body lines along the sides. That 0:45. Stand out by adding a modern twist. 0:48. While still preserving the muscle of the 0:50. Camaro. The SS trim stands out with its 0:53. Car history differential darkened badges. 0:56. The tail lights an optional black 20 in. 0:59. Forged aluminum wheels that give it a 1:02. Threatening path. Consider a quad exhaust. 1:04. With new spoilers and a round back. 1:07. Performance is suggested by the rear diffuser. 1:09. Under the hood. Step inside. Air driver. 1:12. Will patiently await your cockpit. Is 1:14. Focused and blends performance with 1:15. Luxury. The 2025 model upgrades the cabin. 1:19. Using high-quality materials. Think soft touch. 1:22. Contrasting stitching and suede inserts. 1:25. Carbon that is available. Fiber trim. The 1:27. 12.3 in fully digital instrument cluster. 1:31. Is adaptable and perfectly complements. 1:34. The new 11 inches infotainment touchscreen. 1:36. That supports Apple CarPlay wirelessly. And 1:39. Android Auto. The SS trim incorporates. 1:42. Details with a focus on performance, like a 1:44. Steering with a flat surface wrapped in leather. 1:46. Paddle shifters heated for the bottom wheel. And 1:49. All of the music is seated in a 1:50. Ventilated Recaro. You must discuss. 1:53. Performance. The Camaro SS in 2025 will 1:56. Remain true to its roots with a 1:59. Naturally aspirated 6.22 LV engine. 202. Releasing 455 pound-feet and 455 horsepower. 207. Of torque. Whether you choose the manual 209 or the 6-speed automatic transmission. 212 or the 10-speed automatic option with 215 paddle shifters, the acceleration is 217. Nothing short of thrilling. You should. 219. 0 to 60 times in as little as 4.222 seconds, in addition to a rate that will 224. Certain to make your heart beat faster. 226. Magnetic ride control keeps the ride. 229. Surprisingly smooth when you need it to. 231. Be while controlling launch Brebo. 234. Performance brakes and an electronically. 236. It's a restricted slip differential. 238. Track ready right whether you're carving. 240. Up, out of, or along canyon roads are performing. 243. A straight line. This vehicle is fast. And 245. Muscle precision in equal measure. The 248. The Camaro SS's starting price is around $250. In 2025, $253. $46,000 for the base SS trim with 256. Options like the roof or the 2SS package. 258. Upgraded wheels and a sophisticated 301. Features for driver assistance can push 303. Upwards of 304. $55,000 still taking into account what you get. 307. In terms of the design of performance. And 308. Heritage. Thanks for watching my video.